Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install LLVM 16 compiler on Ubuntu 23.10 operating system. So here you can see that I am in the Ubuntu 23.10 repository. So under the development, I am searching for the LLVM 16 packages. It's available. So LLVM 16 is the default version. Okay, LLVM 16 is the default version. But here you can see that I have already installed LLVM for 17. That is higher version is already installed. Now I am going to install the lower version. Okay. So LLVM 17, that is Clang LLVM 17 is already installed. Now I am going to install the default and the lower version. Okay, that is LLVM 16 I am going to install. Okay, so login as a root user in the terminal and execute this command apt install clang -format clang-tidy clang-tool clang-d. Okay, so this will install LLVM 16 compiler. So these are the new and additional packages will be installed. So if you are okay with that, press yes. Okay. So make sure that you have fast internet connection so that packages will be downloaded and fast and installed. Okay, installation is started. Yes. So LLVM 16 is installed successfully. Now let me type clang and press the tab button. Yes, you can see so much of commands are there. Mixture of 16 and 17. Okay. So clang, type clang command, clang-version. Okay, clang-version is pointing to LLVM 16. So LLVM 16 is the default version. As I told, LLVM 16 is the default version. So it's pointing to 16. Clang++ also pointing to LLVM 16. Okay. Now here you can see that I have already typed C and C++ program. So I am clearing the old output files. Let me show the C and C++ program. Okay, so this is my C program which using stdio.h header file and prints the welcome message. And this is my C++ program using iostream header file and prints the welcome message. Okay, welcome.c and hello.cpp. Okay, now let us compile the C program first. Okay, using LLVM 16. Okay, LLVM 16. So as I told earlier, there will be no problem if you install multiple version of LLVM in Ubuntu. See here, I can able to compile and run the C program. Okay, so this is the command to compile and run the C program. Now let me compile the C++ program, clang++ hello.cpp-o hello. Okay, let me run the output file. Yes, so I can able to run the C++ program also. So now I am going to show you one important thing. So I am compile the program with -h option. Okay. So this -h option will show you what are the header files loaded in the memory and what are the header files used by the programs. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to show you clang-h. So these are the header files used by C programs. Okay. So previously I show C++. Okay, so all the header files are located under /usr/include. Okay, so these are the header files used by C, and these are the header files used by C++. And you can see the separate LLVM directory for LLVM 16. So version specific LLVM will be installed separately. Okay, so no need to confuse here. LLVM 16 and LLVM 17 will have separate commands. So parallelly, you can run multiple version of LLVM compiler on Ubuntu 23.10. Okay. So LLVM 16 is the default version and LLVM 17 is the higher version available in the Ubuntu 23.10 repository. So finally, we have completed the LLVM 16, that is Clang LLVM 16 installation on Ubuntu 23.10, and it's successful.